Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can get the Harmony Core vehicle in Heartopia. To get it, well, this is a My Little Pony and Heartopia like collab, but basically to get it, it says collect 6 rainbow power vehicles to earn the limited vehicle Harmony Core. So basically, you'll need to get all 6 of these cars. Yes, all of it to get that car. So I don't even want to know how much that costs to hopefully get 6 of them in like one try, but obviously that's like impossible, but that's how you can get the Harmony Core vehicle. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.